Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rasni Devi. Today in my video I am going to tell you what is the confidence. Actually you know very well I am having the practice with you, so that's why I am here. Today is my topic about confidence. Okay, actually all the people as a learner have a question. What is the confidence? I don't have more much confidence. When we start speaking English, so that time I couldn't speak English with other person because of hesitation. So today in my video, I am going to tell you what is the confidence. Okay, actually all the people think something like this. Confidence is not more much think as a which have lots of confidence. They people born up with the confidence. Okay, it's not impossible. Actually confidence is very big problem, very big issue for improving English. I can't purchase confidence from market, from shop. Confidence you have to earn. Confidence you have to get through have the more practice. Confidence is a only skill you have to earn. Okay, how to earn the confidence, how to get the confidence, I don't know. When we start speaking English, so that time I couldn't speak English. So how to get confidence? So today in my video I am going to tell you how to increase our confidence while speaking English. Okay, actually first of all I would like to tell you confidence is a skill. Okay, you have to earn. You can earn through have the practice more. When you have the practice more, so automatically your confidence will be increased. Okay, all the people say something like this: I don't have more much confidence because when I am alone at my home, so that times I can speak English very well, but it comes to speak English in front of other people, so that times I couldn't speak English. Why? I know happens because of under confidence. Okay, so you should have the more practice. I have some things for improving our confidence. Actually, when you are alone at your home, you don't have any partner, so that time you have to have more much practice. Practice is very necessary. Without practice you can't achieve. Okay, practice, more practice. Okay, without practice you can't. Whatever you want to earn, as a dance, as a music, as a another thing, whatever you want to learn, so that time you have to have practice more. So that's why you will be perfect in your field, whatever you want. Okay, actually, I would like to tell you, if you want to learn the English, so you should have the more much practice. Okay, and another thing, when you start speaking English with other persons, so that times I get stuck because of hesitation. Hesitation is because this times I am making the mistake. I am not good at English. Why can't you speak English? Because you have lack practice. So that's why you have lots of agitation in your mind. When you start speaking English in front of other people, so that time you think something like this. This time I am making the mistake. People laugh at us. I can't speak English. I don't have more much confidence. Actually you don't have more much practice, so that's time you have lack confidence. If you want to be perfect in your field, whatever you want, you have lots of practice. You have to lots of practice. Please don't think about person. Only try to speak English because your aim only improving English. So that's why you are learning English, okay? And another thing, please listening. Listening is very important part of speaking. If you are good listener, definitely you will be good speaker. So please don't think more much. Only try to speak English. Okay, actually, why you can learn why consuming, why understanding, why watching, why listening carefully to other person who knows very well English. I know you don't have more much environment. You don't have any person with whom you can speak English. You can speak with yourself and you can watch English video in YouTube. Of course, you have mobile phone. You can use mobile phone. If you don't have any partner, you can download one application, and after that you can use that application. There are so many person who want to learn English. So please, okay, please focus on your speaking English. Don't think about any person, don't think about anything who which is interrupt your speaking English. Okay, actually this times I am making the video in front of you. This time I have lots of confidence. When it comes to speak English with other person, so that times I couldn't speak English because of agitation, underconfidence. So that's why I couldn't speak English very well. Many times I decided to talk with other person in English. But when it comes to speak English, so that times I couldn't speak English because of I have lack confidence. I have lack practice, because of which we can't speak English. But I want to be fluent in English. So that's why I am making the video in English continuously. Actually, this way is very good for me. Since when I have been making the video in front of you, I feel something like this. I am being the perfect. So please don't think more much. Only try to speak English and focus on your speaking English. Okay. So once again, I am saying in the end, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share, and comment my video. Please don't forget the comment. Your comment is very good for me. So that's why I am asking to you. Please do the comment. So I will next my video. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.